Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. The AHRI is a North American trade association of manufacturers of air conditioning, heating, and commercial refrigeration equipment. AHRI stands for blank. The answer is Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute. Question number 2. An EMS is a system of computer-aided tools used by operators of electric utility grids to monitor, control, and optimize the performance of the generation or transmission system. Also, it can be used in small-scale systems like microgrids. EMS stands for blank. The answer is Energy Management System. Question number 3. The AWWA is an international, non-profit, scientific, and educational society dedicated to providing total water solutions and ensuring the effective management of water. Founded in 1881, the association is the largest organization of water supply professionals in the world. AWWA stands for blank. The answer is American Water Works Association. Question number 4. The WQA is an Illinois-based trade association, a not-for-profit association, representing the residential, commercial, industrial, and small community water treatment industry in the United States. WQA stands for blank. The answer is Water Quality Association. Question number 5. The IGCC is a model code that provides minimum requirements to safeguard the environment, public health, safety, and general welfare through the establishment of requirements that are intended to reduce the negative impacts and increase the positive impacts of the built environment on the natural environment and building occupants. IGCC stands for blank. The answer is International Green Construction Code. Question number 6. The IWA is the leading network and global knowledge hub for water professionals and anyone committed to the future of water. It connects scientists with professionals and communities so that pioneering research provides sustainable solutions. In addition, the association promotes and supports technological innovation and best practices through international frameworks and standards. IWA stands for blank. The answer is International Water Association. Question number 7. The LCR is a United States federal regulation that limits the concentration of lead and copper allowed in public drinking water at the consumer's tap, as well as limiting the permissible amount of pipe corrosion occurring due to the water itself. LCR stands for blank. The answer is Lead and Copper Rule. Question number 8. The NIST promotes U.S. innovation and industrial competitiveness by advancing measurement science, standards, and technology in ways that enhance economic security and improve our quality of life. NIST stands for blank. The answer is National Institute of Standards and Technology. Question number 9. WSPs are a comprehensive risk assessment and risk management approach from catchment to consumer, with the aim of consistently ensuring the safety and acceptability of a drinking water supply. WSP stands for blank. The answer is Water Safety Plan. Question number 10. B&S was instrumental in the development of machine tools and machining technology, including toolmaking, metrology, production, etc. It was responsible for the improvement and wider dissemination of milling machines, micrometers, turret lathes, screw machines, and other tools. B&S stands for blank. The answer is Brown and Sharp. Question number 11. VOCs are compounds that have a high vapor pressure and low water solubility. Many VOCs are human-made chemicals that are used and produced in the manufacture of paints, pharmaceuticals, and refrigerants. VOCs are often components of petroleum fuels, hydraulic fluids, paint thinners, and dry cleaning agents. VOCs are common groundwater contaminants. VOC stands for blank. The answer is Volatile organic compound. Question number 12. CPVC is a strong, durable thermoplastic produced by the post-chlorination of polyvinyl chloride resin. It can be formed into products that have excellent chemical resistance, can withstand high temperatures and pressure, are weatherproof, and offer high chlorine and biofilm resistance. CPVC stands for blank. The answer is Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. Question number 13. In plumbing, FU is a unit of measure, based on the rate of discharge, time of operation and frequency of use of a fixture, that expresses the hydraulic load imposed by that fixture on the sanitary plumbing installation. FU is not a flow rate unit but a design factor. FU stands for blank. The answer is Fixture unit. Question number 14. IPS pipe sizing system based on the inside diameter, or ID, of pipe. It was widely used from the early 19th century to the mid-20th century and is still in use by some industries, including major PVC pipe manufacturers, as well as for some legacy drawings and equipment. IPS stands for blank. The answer is Iron pipe size. Question number 15. The USDA is the federal agency that proposes programs and implements policies and regulations related to American farming, forestry, ranching, food quality, and nutrition. USDA stands for blank. The answer is U.S. Department of Agriculture. Question number 16. The DPWH is responsible for the planning, design, construction and maintenance of infrastructure facilities, especially the national highways, flood control and water resources development system, and other public works in accordance with national development objectives. DPWH stands for blank. The answer is Department of Public Works and Highways. Question number 17. In 1935, 17 master plumbers resolved to unite all practitioners in order to modernize the practice of plumbing and provide clients with professionalized plumbing services. They organized the NOMPAP and had it registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. NOMPAP stands for blank. The answer is National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines. Question number 18. An MSDS is a document that contains information on the potential hazards, health, fire, reactivity, and environmental, and how to work safely with the chemical product. It is an essential starting point for the development of a complete health and safety program. It also contains information on the use, storage, handling, and emergency procedures all related to the hazards of the material. MSDS stands for blank. The answer is Material Safety Data Sheet. Question number 19. ASPE is the International Organization for Professionals skilled in the design, specification, and inspection of plumbing systems. ASPE is dedicated to the advancement of the science of plumbing engineering, to the professional growth and advancement of its members and the health, welfare, and safety of the public. ASPE stands for blank. The answer is American Society of Plumbing Engineers. Question number 20. The BPS, formerly known as Bureau of Product Standards, is mandated to establish standards for all products of the Philippines and to ensure the manufacture, production, and distribution of quality products for the protection of the consumer. BPS stands for blank. The answer is Bureau of Philippine Standards. Question number 21. The PSVARE is a duly registered non-stock, non-profit organization established in 1985. The members are consultants, contractors, manufacturers, suppliers, and academic professionals who are all involved in the practice of air conditioning, ventilation, and refrigeration systems. PSVARE stands for blank. The answer is Philippine Society of Ventilating, Air Conditioning, and Refrigerating Engineers. Question number 22. An MRF is a facility that uses both machines and people to remove and sort recyclables from the waste stream. The Athens MRF is what is known as a mixed waste MRF and is specifically designed to allow recyclables to be sorted from regular household garbage. Other MRFs are only able to sort recyclables that have already been separated from the waste stream at the point of collection. MRF stands for blank. The answer is Materials Recovery Facility. Question number 23. SBS is a condition affecting office workers, typically marked by headaches and respiratory problems, attributed to unhealthy or stressful factors in the working environment, such as poor ventilation. SBS stands for blank. The answer is Sick Building Syndrome. Question number 24. BRIs are a heterogeneous group of disorders associated with a particular building or indoor environment. In some cases, a discrete causative agent can be identified, but often identification is not possible because symptoms and illness are rarely caused by a single exposure. Most BRIs are related to more than one type of exposure combined with inadequate ventilation. BRI stands for blank. The answer is Building-related illness. Question number 25. WWR is a crucial parameter in building design that determines the proportion of window area to the total wall area. It is an essential factor in energy performance analysis, daylighting design, and visual comfort. WWR stands for blank. The answer is window-to-wall ratio.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.